This okay, I think I'm able to record now. So just I will go with this disclaimer first. This is just to say that this is not a recommendation to buy or sell, and you individuals can take your call. This is about just how I do my trades, and I just want to share that knowledge. Yeah. Okay. Now you can see my screen, guys. You're able to see my screen? Please confirm.
Just blank screen.
Okay.
Just black. Yeah, now it's on. Yes.
Now you can see. Okay. So let me take this screen. See, first I will open my watch list, then go here to see if there is any means percentage change, whichever is the top two or three. One, I will decide based on whether that day I have to go uptrend or downtrend based on in the number of stocks, like show how they are, like 30% of stocks downtrend, 70 are uptrend, whichever is more I will consider that majority, or sometimes a mix of it, like I will take two from uptrend, one from downtrend, something like this. Okay, today I have shortlisted three stocks. One is Majdoc, another is BDL, and another is Godrej Properties. Okay, now I will, if you see this Majdoc, okay, 1 minute. Are you able to see that Majdoc on my screen?
Yes. No,
Okay,
natural something is
yeah,
saying.
Majdoc. So what I will
I
do, first I will go to daily chat. I will make this at 9:30, 9:30 or 9:40 somewhere, 9:35. In 2-3 minutes I will make this quickly support and resistance zones. Okay. Then on first 5 minutes only you will get the stocks whichever is changing fast. By 10 minutes I will make this go and do first top two stocks. I will go and make this support lines. Then I will go to 15 minutes and start slowly observing that 5 minutes one. Okay, if you can see this today, my stock, it opened first 5 minutes only. Here I might have got the stock, right? So the moment I see this, I know that there is something going to happen in this stock. And yes, 1 minute, that first 5 minutes is solid. It's not like a week or something body is less or something like that. Solid green candle. So I can go ahead and at least trade till here. Okay, that is my next target. I will just keep monitoring, though I will not leave the system. I'll just keep that targets very clear. And here somehow, because of my things, I'm not very comfort, I mean, still that comfort level I'm trying to get it. See, when you see this plus sign, right, still there is one more level that it can touch. That is what it means, especially when this signal is there. See, I'm showing you the 5 minutes chart, not 15 minutes. Okay, sometimes if we will get the trend early. Okay, when you get the trend early, you try to quickly ride that. See, here I got worried and I somehow exited, and that was my, and that my trades were today just before 9:30. Okay, in the first 15 minutes I completed my trades. I know that is very early and it's not even reasonable to do like that, but somehow I was able. See, first I entered this one. Okay, I felt that it is very quickly going up and it may come down, so I made it at, I exited in 20 minutes only. Then again I felt that still it is going up, and then I again entered without thinking much, but it went really very up. So point here is, what I am saying is, you just don't get panic. Even I am getting that, but the thing is, we will come to know with the candles. easily. And you should at least observe that on 5 minutes. Not, for stocks, strictly 5 minutes and 15 minutes. Don't go with 3 minutes and 1 minute. Because of this Nifty, I got somehow used to this 3 minute, and that was like really little bit, I felt that I will see. If you see this 3 minutes, correct? The moment I see this, it has touched and it has come here, maybe it will fall. So I got exited. That is how my panic and exit uh, you know was inspired. Then you see, if you see that 5 minutes, okay, the moment you see this candle also, you know that you are not going to go down immediately, because whenever something goes up, at least it has to give some jerk, or at least it has to stay there for some time, then only it will go down. Okay, is this clear till here? This is the
Yes.
only ride I have taken today. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So when this plus sign you see also, you need not worry, but you should wait for the candle to form. Imagine if this, while forming, right, it will be green, red here, and you will feel that you are already like losing it. So just in the worst case, you can keep the stop loss here, and means you can still ride it. That is what even I need to practice, but somehow I am doing it on fly, which is not a good habit. Yes, but I will do that. Okay, the moment you see solid one red candle, this is first jerk, second hint, it's better you exit. I feel that this is okay. Otherwise, you have to keep stop loss here and then start that journey. Okay. What we can do is, when you are riding this, you can keep this as stop loss, like, because that is the support level. If support level is not there, you can keep the low of this as um, stop loss. And when you are riding this low of this as stop loss, like that, you can are still this holds good. Okay, but when you are riding this, you keep low of this as stop loss. Don't wait for this. I mean, you don't lose, there is no point losing this. Okay, and when you are riding this should be your stop loss. Don't take, because already one jerk has come. After one jerk has come, what you will do is, you shift the means be conscious, and you try to book as much profit as you can. Don't wait. At least till here you should exit that, because this red. Okay, then if you see it in 15 minutes also, same point it will give you exit, which is 2516. Even in 5 minutes, it will almost give you at the same point, 2516, right? Where it gave exit. Oh, 2536. So 5 minutes was early. And if you ignore this also, if you see this, I will say, right, the candle, this should be close less than this. In that case, this should be the, which is again coming to same 2517 or 16. You got it?
Yes.
Yeah, you follow
Yeah.
the rules, means one proper red candle, or the candle closes below this proper green candle. So in this 15 minutes also, 5 minutes also, it gave the exit at the right point, because there is no guarantee that it will stop here. It may have gone like this also. But this is the confirmation that yes, it is not going to go up. That is where I will always say, while you are riding, you just maintain your trailing stop loss, or you see at least one small hint when it is good, because that is going to be in sideways for a long time. So yeah, this is about my first stock. Then let's move to another stock, my
Jabin, one question. Where did you take the second entry? Second one? The 1600
and
something.
this one. Yeah,
Yeah, matched.
here I think here I came out, right, but then I realized that this is only, I have not got one jerk also. Then again I entered. Then in somewhere here I have booked, because I don't know, I was like here only I have booked, because my trades were before 9:35 or 9:40 today. That is what I remember. Okay, very first few minutes I exited. So here one trade,
Okay.
here one trade. Okay.
Okay.
And even if you see 3 minutes candle, it was like lightly going. See, these candles are really dangerous, right? Like this one, it's not that giving a good feel. So that what made me. Then I realized that I am seeing a 3-minute candle because of my nifty habit. When I am doing with stocks, I should go with 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. After exiting 2 times, I realized that it is 3-minute candle I am seeing. I was cross-checking because that was little bit disturbance to me, because after my exit, right, it went really up more than 200 points. If you 100 points, see, it is like you think that it is 9:30 call, so 248 to 100 points it moved up. Okay, it was really bothering me and I got disturbed. See, 100 points, I might have made easy money. It's like 100 points it has moved in this market. Like, see, if you see this, it went up to 258, 238 or 240. It was huge thing for me. After, when I saw that it is going up again, I entered this 400 PE, because mine was first 2300 CE. Next again I took 2400 CE, because that limit has it has crossed. And another point, what I with this I remember another point. See, when you are moving up, right, you can close the previous, right. See, when you are here, you can take the 2300 CE. When you are here, you can move to 2400 CE, something like that. As it moves up, right, we should change the PE if you feel that you have seen this enough. Means you can close that trade and you can open that another trade. Otherwise, your wish, because that move will be fast, right? That is what I am doing. Yeah. Otherwise, you can take your build your strategy. My strategy is, if it is going like that, I will change the CE also, close the previous one and start. I know the charges will be more, but I should, build 2, 3 things. One is observing the stock in 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Second thing is, I should not get this panic things and exit. Okay. And the third important point is, like, when it is like, you have to maintain some cool. Like, we should not get panic when it is moving up or down little. Especially stocks, right? It will not move like Nifty. Then, uh, another point I wanted to tell you anyway, for now I don't remember. Next, move to BDL. If you BDL stock, if you see, this is a very volatile stocks that moves really very big moves when it moves. Okay. See, it was bottom fishing from so many days. And this was saying that it will still struggle. This will still struggle, but it crossed like anything today. If you see this point, it has crossed without any hesitation. That is why people are giving today targets of next target, which is maybe this, not this one. Okay. That one, at least it will cross. So 1400, 1500, some things like this. I think it should still take this. You imagine this line till here or here. Okay. So yeah, when it moves, it moves. Otherwise, it is like in this range only. When and also one more thing what we need to understand is, when something is moving so much in that range, at least it will cross that one layer. Means I am thinking it will touch 1400, 1400 and then 1500 based on the candles it forms. Okay. Then, if you move to 15 minutes candle today, See, it was a very big candle. In the very first candle, it showed that it has moved up. I might have raided this, okay, but I will focus 1.1 stock only. So it is like that. Anything, if you can even look at it, see this one, it has crossed, and by 9:20 this stock was ready, and in the first top two. So at least you can ride this till you find one jerk or another red candle. See, one is jerk, which we'll see first time, whether that will be a plus sign or a red sign that is very in the very top of that candle that closes, and another is a red sign. After this you don't stay, otherwise if after this you don't stay, because it has cut this. Okay, the moment you see this, you will know that this is going to be in sideways. You can exit any point of time here, but don't stay in the trade after this, because it will be very painful. Either it will be downwards or sideways, which are not good after this much ride. Yeah. So that is very clean uptrend, correct? Another point is I should make the lots. Lots is, I am taking as of now only one lot. Okay. Once we get used to it, right? We can take two lots. Imagine if you two lots I have taken this, two lots I have taken this, then again 10,000 today only I might have earned, correct? Even if I exit at that same point. Yeah. So that one sizing is one thing which I need to know. And second thing is that 5 minutes and 15 minutes candle. And third thing is checking the percentage and going with the flow. Don't, and now maybe I will not trade with Nifty, because the moves are very, very weird. Like earlier it was different, and now it is, see, that scope, if you see, whatever I have drawn, it has moved in the same scope today. But I got really worried to ride this, see. Here is one gap, okay. Then it opened here. So this gap I didn't expect. Then I thought that here it will, from 2 days, it is moving in that ranges which I am expecting. But I'm literally worried to ride that. I somehow lost that, why I should run behind this so much speed moves when the market, see, war is there, and again some disturbances are there across. And why to play with Nifty when you can play with coolly with some stocks? Okay, yeah. Fine. Scope is something which, anyway, if I don't find any stock, again I may play, or when Nifty comes back, I may play something like that. We don't know. Fine. Then, next, my third stock is Godrej Properties. Why I have select Godrej Properties? See, if you see this top, our morning Ashoka Leyland was not there. Okay. Godrej Properties, and what is that other one? It was there in negative trend. Policy Bazaar. Policy Bazaar, Godrej Properties. Okay, ICICI Bank. These three were there. Policy Bazaar, Godrej Properties, ICICI Bank. Now I will tell you Policy Bazaar, ICICI Bank. What is the other one? Policy Bazaar. See, these three were there. Okay, morning. Then why I have to select Godrej Properties, I will show you. If you see this daily chart, stock is in downtrend, correct? See this, it is there. It didn't try, and it somehow it moved from bottom, but still it didn't, it is not crossing that levels. So, and when it came for the first time, if you see that first 15 minutes candle, you will know that it is going to be in downtrend. See, it was uptrend, and suddenly this one and this big. According to me, this should stay in this range, correct? But it crossed very fast, this wick. Okay, when it crosses this and all the three are green, you imagine that it will at least cut two of its support or resistance things. Okay, see, you could ride easily till here, and then also till now no green candle is there. you could write till here. This one you can exit because all are red, right? Here, see, and when this forms, right, you should wait, you should exit and then wait for next candle. Don't wait all this time, okay? Don't wait. When some, after such a big downtrend, even if some thing comes, right, means like this doji and all, even this was, it was like forming downtrend, but at least it should bounce back till here. Even the trend has to continue, it will take a lot of time. So don't wait here. See this downtrend, all are red in 15 minutes. It is not in 5 minutes, it is in 15 minutes. So, and with the stocks, the beauty is it will not go like Nifty, that it will go up like this, it will not go up. Generally, it will show that sideways movement only when it is in downtrend. Is that clear?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so you should exit here at the closing of this candle because you were not comfortable with this. Or you should see, if you see my support line also, it exited here. Got it? This line. And it, even if you, when it is forming, even if you have waited till here, if you see this has touched this line again. Okay? So if you keep stop loss here, you may not write this, but that is okay. Okay? Yeah, another one. Especially when support is there and then it goes down below that, right? You book it here. Don't wait there. That is my point. And when this is in sideways, you don't again enter PE or CE thinking that it is going up or it is going down. You wait for proper confirmation. Where is the proper confirmation? Here it is up. It has crossed half of it, but still it ended as a wick. So still struggle is there. This red is bigger than this, but it is too early to decide. Then this one, see, after so much hesitation, it is the first hint it is giving clearly. Then you still wait because there may be sideways still waiting for you. So some things like that you need to enter the justification. But the thing is here, see, if you see 10:45 to 2:15, that means 2 hours has passed, correct? 2 hours has passed, and after that in the last means after 2:30, right, there will be weird moves. If you observe, at least here you can enter and here you can exit. So that should be the condition, because time also matters. And if when you move to 1 o'clock, you see it is clear that it is not going to move up 3 hours, correct? Here you can enter and here you can exit. That is the rule. Okay. Here if you are able to catch it, it's good. But sometimes, right, our focus, my focus will be only on one stock. So I can catch only one stock and I can ride only one stock. And that if I am doing it with proper quantity, that is good. Wherever we make, it's not important that I will trade in 2-3 stocks. It is important that I will make more money in that trades. So today I even focused on taking less trades. Every day I'm taking 3-4 trades. Today I thought I will take only one trade and only in one stock. In that means in that stock only I will trade. That is what I have decided. Okay. So this is about Godrej Properties. And another stock is ICICI Bank. If you see this, Nifty is Bank Nifty is very down today, and that was the thing that is going on. And one more thing what you need to see is here the news you see, that one, Bank Nifty falls over. See, when something is falling down, you should read the news. When something is going up also, here light hint they will give you. That one also you can track as a means to get more convincing reason for your trade. Okay, if you see this 3 hours ago, Bank Nifty falls over 2% as crude driven inflation worries way. Okay, all are in downtrend. So it will definitely not move in upside. Correct? So that is something which we need to keep in trade, and you can somewhere enter here, because this red is very much not even touching half of it, correct? Very much far. And wick is also big, and it is not even body touch, so it will come. So somewhere you can enter here, and at least till you can ride it till here, which is also a good ride, because quantity is I think 700. Okay, some 700 from 328 to 321 is not a good, not a small amount, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So next is policy bazaar. Why we should go for policy bazaar? If you see this again, here it has cut like this. Okay, here if you enter till here, you can write. And why you should not stay here? Because it suddenly went up, right? Can you imagine? 1 minute. Javed, ఒక 5 minutes నేను చేస్తాను. Okay. Yeah. Why it went up? Can you guys figure out the reason? It's okay.
Morning star, ma'am.
No, sir. See, scope, sir.
Oh, okay, okay.
Scope is almost bottom fishing. That one we should never forget. Okay. Even if it has to cross, see, it has exactly cut at that point. See, this earlier. See this point? For me, exactly it should come at this point. I will remove this for just more clarity. Okay. Less lines, more comfort. Yeah. See this? Exact line, right? So don't expect it to fall too much also. So that is the expectation. And also when it forms like this, it will lightly reverse back. So be careful and book it here at that point. That is where scope plays a major role. See, once it comes and people without seeing scope, if they are waiting, right? All the profits which they have got from 10:30, everything is lost. Actually, 9:45, everything is lost. Correct? Yeah. And if you are confident, and if you are like, if you gain more confidence, we can put even CE here. At least to touch this. Or to target one or two, something like that, I will say, right? Till here. See, now we are able to see, so you can say we can keep the target here or something, but that may not work out because it is a down day. So yeah, you can just keep it to at least to keep a impression of fake false fake up move. It will move like this, and yes, you can target -1 or 2, it will work. C P will also work, C will also work. But yes, this is a very dangerous game when it comes to policy bazaar. Why? Because of scope. If you are not realized that this is the lowest point, you should see. And also when you draw these lines, right, you be very careful at the down point. Okay, because anytime it may reverse, because that will be the strong support point. See, this is one support, this is one support, this is one support. After 3-4 supports, you think it will still sustain? No, right? So such logics, reasons, we should keep framing. Then only we can trade properly, right? Yeah. This is about my inputs, sir. Like I tried Godrej, ICICI Bank, Policy Bazaar. This is 3 things I shortlisted. And top side, Mazdoc and BDL. And you don't keep on seeing this. This should be a 1-time or 2-time job for you. Okay, seeing this percentage. Because see, again, this may become 7%, that may become 8%. That is all like, keeping again deviation. See, don't deviate too much. Just pick up 3-4 stocks in the morning before 9:30, 9:40, and just play with only with them. Don't keep changing this percentage. If this changes, you will shift to some other stock. That will not give you any, because it is just a disturbance for me. I will not bother. Okay. And you mentioned, right, Majdak, yesterday there is some reason. See, whatever may be the reason, for us, it should be like if you are an F&O trader, that fundamentals and all, right? Like you can keep an eye, but still, see, if you see this, it will move exactly as per the candles. For us, the percentage is important, correct? Percentage is important. And see, yesterday from here to here it moved, there was a pullback. Today here it moved to here is the pullback, so still it may go up till here. But we should have our own. Only see, if you see this, it has come till here, wick has formed. It has come till here, wick has formed. What do you think? It will give a very solid red candle, green candle tomorrow? Huh? I don't know. Frankly, I don't know. But I will not take risk. That is my point. That is my point. Okay. So just go with the candles, live with the candles, and digest the scope and play the game. Okay. Anything else?
So at what time do you think is the best time to trade a FNO? 9:15 or 9:30? Because sometimes after 9:30 or 9:45 it may start to consolidate.
Correct, correct. So, see, I think when you go with this change, right? See, even 2 days only I am starting this, okay? For me, I felt with this percentage changes, right, that stock will be volatile. See, what we need to do, we just need one volatile stocks or two volatile stocks. That is moving up or down doesn't matter, correct? So, pick one or two volatile stocks and play with them only according to the scope. And that you can do between 9:20 and 9:30. That is sufficient. And after that, you will find that, see, volatility is there means you can make money. Either it is up or down, doesn't matter.
So after seeing after selecting that, you draw uh, support and resistance, then move 15 and then move to 5 minutes, right?
Correct.
Okay. Because you are very perfect in drawing the support and resistance, so we need lots of time to understand that.
Okay. Yeah, that then we have to practice even that one, right? Even today I feel that with unknowingly I will draw sometimes. See, if you see this, that was the line when it never crossed. See, for Nasdaq,
Yeah.
even for BDL, it was in that range only. Where is that line? I
Yeah,
think.
that's what I mean. If we miss the, support and resistance, I mean, if we make that mistake, then we'll be in danger, I guess, because it will not move according to our wish.
Correct, correct. So yeah, I think I have deleted that line. Yeah. So even Godrej, the Godrej properties, how you can miss it is because this line will save you. Okay. It went up till there and still it came back. That is the beauty of Godrej, this one. See? That is where when so many green lines, actually, right, what I have observed is when so much red has formed. Okay. 3, 4 candles, not even this many candles. Okay. 3, 4 candles, if solid only red without any interruption of green, then it will move in sideways, and at the end of the day it will move down and touch another support line. This is one blind logic I have kept in mind. That will work out many times, most of the times. Okay. Especially when it is down. Whether uptrend, you see, Nasdaq is uptrend, correct? But Nasdaq, it may work or not, we don't know. But downtrend, it will work. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candles, and it is at the edge, and it is full red. It is not even bothering. Even 5 minutes, if you see, it is full. It is in downtrend only. It didn't cross half, and here is the point you have to enter. So when such things happen, right, it will be like I found this very late here. Then I thought at the end of the day I will catch, and at the end of the day I forgot. Okay, so something like this. So here it is, when some 3 4 candles are red, it will move in sideways, especially when you see some candle like this, which is forming, trying to move near to that and still came back, right? Then it is definitely going to down, means 90% sure that it will make another touch support line. That is another point, sir. So yeah, you need to decide on lot size, you need to decide on the strike, you need to decide on the percentage of this one and all this stuff, and yes, you are done. That's it.
No, for ICICI Bank,
Sorry?
can you go to ICICI Bank chart, ma'am?
Ah, 1 minute. My power is on and off, so I have shifted to my mobile data. Yeah. See, actually, for me, I felt ICICI Bank is a poor choice for trading today. If at all it is a FNO. Yeah, tell me.
So we should only enter when the low, if we are shorting, we should only enter when the low of the first 15 minutes is taken out, right, ma'am? Else it will be in sideways, right?
Nothing like that, sir.
Okay.
Nothing like that. See, here it confirms the downtrend.
Uh,
See,
Can I
this one
shift to
itself
5
is a
minutes?
confirmation. First candle itself is a confirmation. And it has never
Hmm.
crossed this half. There is a wick, even body, it has never crossed half. So it is got down. It has to go means go. Okay. If you can enter at least half of this, see, then this candle forming, that is even good, because it will not go up. Full Nifty is down, Bank Nifty is down. How it will go up? So it will be down only. So at least this candle you have to enter, sir. See, this one, this is a downward bullet, correct? This green is smaller than this red. Here you can enter.
Correct.
Yeah,
Okay.
I told, right? Here you can enter and here you can exit. That is the minimum you can expect. But I felt
No,
that this is not a right pick of stocks.
hmm.
See, out of 3 4 stocks, whatever we pick, one will be not good. That's okay. But you should pick 3 4
Hmm.
stocks, not stick to one or two. You should pick 3 4
Correct.
and keep it at your bet on list. See,
Can I
don't
shift to?
even this list. You can add, and here it is more. That is a different thing. Yeah, bet on 3 4 things and only switch between that 3 4. Whichever is forming good candles, that one only you trade. See, if you see
Okay.
this is all sideways. It will not be of any use, and full day will get wasted.
Correct, ma'am.
So if you see the same thing, that candles, na, it should like it's like a food. If you should feel like eating, I will eat or not, eat or not. That will not make any difference. See, these candles feel like absorbing, correct?
Correct.
Then even this maddak, how it is, feel like life. Life is there, and life is there. So that candles will tell you to do or not. Then if you see that another things what I told, Godrej property, ICICI Bank, and another one, what is that? Policy Bazar. Policy Bazar, you see, it is a candle, life is there till here. Okay. So this one, it is difficult to move because that it is almost at the bottom. Means uh, what you say? It is at the bottom. Then bottom right, moves will become tough. Even Godrej property has the same issue. Okay, it is at the bottoms of one support is there, that is already in downtrend from few days. So at bottom it makes little bit tough for the day. See, all the things moves has moved in the beginning. So sorry, Policy Bazar. See, this move comparison is required. See, all these candles. This one is big grand candle. So that one it will tell you, yes, this will move with difficulty, but it's okay. Here it is confirming the trend. Yeah, but move is limited because it has moved in certain ways. At least for one good candle it will form. For this we have to stay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Got it, ma'am. Can you go to National Aluminium yesterday?
Ash- Actually, National Aluminium, I got excited yesterday, but I felt that much risk. National Aluminium is costly for me.
Hmm. Okay.
It's out of my budget. I know we should not consider that cost, but mindset is not coming out of it. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, can go to yesterday's candle, ma'am. So, do you enter during the first 5 minutes itself when there's a big wick, or you wait purposefully till 9:30?
Yesterday 9:30.
Yeah.
Yesterday 1 minute, 15 minutes candle. Yeah, yesterday only this one 5 o'clock, right? 5. Yeah. Yes, sir. Tell
So,
me, sir.
ah, yesterday, I'm just because they had given a call option
Mm.
early in the morning, but
Ah.
by then it had moved a little bit. Can I shift to 5 minutes, ma'am?
Mhm.
Ah, okay. So, let's go to yesterday's candle. So, at what time would you have entered in the morning? Let's say this was on your short list, okay? So,
I
when
think
would you have?
I have entered for PE, sir, this one.
Yeah, you had shorted it, but let's assume it was on your long list, okay? So, at
Okay.
what time would you have entered in the morning?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. And,
See, it
and
is very
those small.
clear because it is
Mm,
very clear. At least here I will enter and here I will exit. If it is again running, here I will enter again.
mm,
Because
mm,
this is a penny stock, means not movement much. If you see this, it is all small movements.
mm.
This movement, if you see, it should always be a comparative candle, sir.
Okay,
You should
ma'am.
not think that it will go like till here. That is unexpected. If it is coming bonus, it is coming. Okay.
Mm,
But
mm,
for me, it may move out and see till here. It gave a feel that it will come down. But here you can enter again because there is a still you see a lengthy path. At least here you should exit because
mm,
this is the nature. If it is a normal stock, right, like Mazdak, I will stay. But Majdak or whatever big stocks means where there is more movement. But here I'm not confident with these movements because National Aluminium will always give some 5 6 rupees or some move like that only, I think. But when it
correct.
moves very up. But
Mm,
we don't know, right, whether that is that day or not. And also it
correct.
is very costly. So I felt it is not of my type stock.
Okay,
Why I
okay.
will trade low is it is very costly stock. I have my own justification. Like it is very costly stock, size is big, and I may not be able to take that loss.
Okay.
But
Well,
here I was confident that it is going down, and I just traded in only this.
okay, ma'am. Okay, just one second.
Yeah.
So, yeah, national alarm. Let's say if you had gotten at 9:25 yesterday. Okay. So,
Mhm.
you would have waited for that crossing to happen before you enter,
This
right?
candle, yes.
Okay, okay. And you always wait for the candle to get over before you enter, correct?
Most of the times, yes, but I will get the vibe at this time, this 9:20 or something. If I know that stock, okay. First thing, I
Hmm.
will personalize this trade very much, okay.
Hmm.
Whatever doing my trades, they are very personalized, customized only for me, okay.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
the
Hmm.
thing is, here I will maintain some rules. If I know the stock. See, few stocks I know. If you say take this mother son emphasis, I don't know them. So I will not take. I will wait for the candle to finish. But if I take
Hmm.
this some GRSE, NetWeb, or that they are not FNO stocks, but I'm telling just for example.
Hmm.
Since
Hmm.
I know that this will be the move, and I can expect this move. This is the candle means this is how it forms. So I will enter sometimes without even that one.
Okay, completion of the 5-minute candle. Okay.
Yes.
So you will trail the low of that 5-minute candle as your target. I mean, as you would put it in the system, right?
Yes, I will set some target, but I will be at the system wherever I want. I will click. That one I still need to,
Hmm.
control. But yes, that is what I am doing as of now. I will keep the
Okay.
target, but I will. I'm not able to wait till that point of time.
Okay. Okay.
I'll do
Yeah.
that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you said we can trail the low of each 5-minute candle as it keeps going up, correct? Is that right,
Correct.
ma'am?
Correct. Stop loss.
Okay. Got it.
That is what I am saying. See, in place of exiting, I can make it
Hmm.
a stop loss, right? In place of keeping the target, I can keep changing the stop loss.
Hmm.
That one I need to practice.
Okay. So you trail your stop loss. Okay.
Yes, slowly.
Okay. Which in fact is your target. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Got it,
Yeah.
ma'am. Thank you.
1 minute, I'll stop recording.
Sure.